Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about common coolant leak points. There are several common coolant leak points. First, you want to check the coolant overflow reservoir for cracks or leaks around the hose connections. Next, you want to take a look at the coolant hoses coming and going from the radiator. Sometimes they can be a little hard to find, but they're typically the larger hoses, and if you follow them, they will be either coming out of or going to the radiator. A lot of times these hoses will sometimes just burst, or a lot of times they'll leak at the connection points or if there's any seams in it. Engine itself. A lot of times they'll leak right at their connection points as well.